Hey guys, what's up? I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, I will be making more of these in the future. More tutorials, hopefully better tutorials as well. Now, the 3D pyramid was the amazing trick that I know I can help sharing with you guys. Now, this is the second last day of my spring break, so 2 more days, and well, we post once a week, so it'll be hard to post from 5th to 6th. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button as well. And well, yeah, I'll see you next video. Peace.